When venturing in dairy farming, the main aim of every farmer is to make more profit from increased milk production per day. So every target, every step, every act that this farmer takes is all focused on increasing milk production per day. And currently, the prices of milk are at least above the average. And if costs are minimized, if costs are low, most farmers are making some good profits. Remember, we have experienced some good rainfall, so fodder is not an issue. However, there is this one problem which, if it attacks your farm, high milk production and profits become a nightmare. Yes, what we are talking about is mastitis in dairy cows. Mastitis is one of the most expensive diseases to treat. Expensive in terms of high cost antibiotics and the loss of milk that farmers experience. The common signs of mastitis include swelling, hardness, redness, heat, and even pain. The milk may have also watery appearance, flakes, clots, or pus depending on the level of infection. There are three stages of mastitis. We have what we call subclinical, clinical, and chronic mastitis. Subclinical is during the first stages of infection, which then transits into clinical and later chronic mastitis, which is often associated with genetics. There are three main causes of mastitis in dairy cows. The third one, farmer can only control it through breeding, but two, they can manage to prevent and control them. Number one is poor hygiene. And what we mean by poor hygiene is the cleanliness of the milking items and the cow barn itself. The cow barn should always remain dry at all times. Also, the milking items, all the milking machines should always be washed with clean, warm water or even hot water after the milking. Poorly washed milking machines are the main cause of mastitis in most farms, especially those that use milking machines. The other main cause is incomplete milking. This is where the farm workers are in hurry to milk or they are interrupted during milking. This interrupts the flow of milk, and in most cases, they are not able to milk all of it. So ensure that there is complete milking. This is the main cause of mastitis, especially in small scale farmers. The third one is genetic. Mastitis sometimes may be genetically transmitted. There are cows with high somatic cells score, which translates to high cases of mastitis. Before we get to the best treatment, ensure that you like this video, ensure that you visit our YouTube page, Farmworks Kenya, and our website, farmworks.co.ke. Sharing this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel is the only way that you can support us, help us to reach as many farmers as possible. The main treatment is one, serving your cows with bulls which has low somatic cell score. This will ensure that you don't transmit the mastitis. Number two, you ensure that there is high level of hygiene. Then number three, you ensure that there is complete milking. Now, in extreme cases, antibiotics can be applied, but in that cases, consult your veterinary. Before you leave, ensure that you like this video and also tell us, how do you treat mastitis in your farm?